All right, folks, let's get ready to draw the indexing guide. Now this is dimensions are in inches, so we'll set it up for inches. Standard IPT English, standard inch IPT. All right, so now, again, using that subtraction and the unions and all that good stuff, let's see how we go about this one. Got a pretty good idea how I'd go about this. So let's get started. First thing I would do with this is I want to keep it really simple. Let me show you what I do. Start 2D sketch. Again, you can do this however you want, as long as the end results are good. I do a rectangle. These things here, 1.25 to the center to out here. Okay. And then you got a 1/2 inch in between. So it'd be 1 inch. Those are 1 inch slats. So I'm just going to roughly put me a 1 inch slat, tab over, and the length of it, I'm just going to make it long enough to where it's going to work. I don't know, I just threw on a number on there. And then I'm going to use my copy, my modify, copy. I'll grab all this and my base point, and it's going to be, how wide is it? This right here is 1.25 all the way over here, so 1.25, 1.25, it's going to be 2.5. So I'll grab it from right here, from that point. I'm actually going from this point over to this point, so it would be 1.25 plus 0.2 would be 1.5. I'll do precision input. And I'm moving in the X direction. Or it would be 1.5. Just got to get lined up there. And that's all I want. I'm done. And the reason I did that, just like that, I'm just going to do a real quick measurement. Take that dimension. So they should be 2.735 from outside to outside, and that's not right. Am I getting the right numbers here? 1.25. Yeah, 2.5 should be 2.5. So I double click it, so I guess it didn't matter because we could have done that. We wouldn't even had to guess on that. So got that 2.5. Great, perfect. It looks like to me too that these are the same size down here, right? So let's do this. Let's just copy this. Copy it. Base point. Doesn't matter. I'll bring me one right there. Boom. I'm looking for a good tool here. Rotate. We do have rotate, so great. Grab all of that, do a rotate. Center point, I'm just going to eyeball one right there. It doesn't matter. 90 degrees. Apply. I like it. Grab that. Move it over. Base point, I'll go for right. I'm just eyeballing. It doesn't really matter. I'll come in here somewhere like that. Done. Okay, you guys are kind of seeing what I'm coming up with here. I'm just throwing some stuff. You don't have to draw it like this, but I'm just coming up with some ideas that I think that may work. I think that looks pretty good. So I made kind of all this right here, and I finished that sketch out. Oh, I didn't get that. I can double click that sketch and go back there and clean that real quick. Perfect. Finish the sketch. I'll grab all that. This is 1 inch through, so good. Now all I'll have to do is this. I need to come in here and I'll cut all this out around it, and I've got this little center hub here. So start me another sketch right on the face of this. And I need to find the center point of this. This is the best way to do this. Line, catch that point to that one. If it doesn't project, if it doesn't let you snap to it, you can use that project geometry. It's letting me do it. So right there, I should know exactly the center point of that to put my circle. It should catch the midpoint of that line, which is right there. This diameter is 2.25. Boom. And it's pretty good for right now. Extrude that out. And I left that line in there. I didn't need it, but that's okay. 0.75. Perfect. Looking good. Another sketch. I'll put a hole all the way through that. And that is 1.25. And I'm just going to use, we'll finish the sketch. I'm just going to use that extrude method to cut, but there is another method to making holes with threads, counterbores, countersinks, and all that. And I'll show you that a little bit later in the class. But for now, we're just going to cut all of it through all. All right. So now, all you got to do is come back in. And do one more cut on this. Right go right the face of that. And project if you need to this circle, but it should let you catch it right there in the center. And this diameter around this thing is 2.5, radius of 2.5, so it would be 2 times, would be 5. And then I'll put myself another circle out here, long as it's outside of my material finish. That is going to be my cut zone. Extrude this, cut all of it. It's gone. And voila. Again, folks, if you need help with this one, just let me know. You can try other methods. There's all kinds of ways to do that. That's just a quick way that I saw to do it. But again, you're looking at things, and right now I'm not worried about getting your history efficient, but we're going to get that more efficient as we get into this class. If you got any questions, let me know.